What's going on, Rodders? Welcome back to the channel. And to kick off summer, now that it's starting to get warmer out, let's go ahead and dig into these vintage Johnny Lightning surf rods. This one is not a part of this set here. This one, I believe, to be the first release. So copyright is 2000. There's still 5 more rods I need to collect from this series. I have the Huntington Honeys VW bus. So there you can see it says Huntington Honeys. There's some girls surfing on it, and there's the VW logo. Now what's cool is this was actually a real picture shot by a photographer. As you see up there, it says Surf Photos by Grannis, I believe is what it says. Grannis, Grannis, I believe. But these all have little Polaroid pictures in them, so they're definitely pretty cool. So like I said, this is 2000. So let's go ahead and crack this one open. So first we'll go ahead and look at the car. Got some surfboards on top, and now these are just pushed in there, but they are plastic. Plastic wheels, metal base, 60s VW van, 1994 plain Mantis. So that must have been when they casted this one, was 1994. Let's go ahead and get that Polaroid out. Now it's just a piece of cardstock paper, but it's pretty thick. And there's our photo. Definitely really cool. Now these ones don't say photos by Grannis anywhere, but this does say officially authorized Kreger exclusive license, and they do still have the photos, so I'm not too sure, but there's something on the back you can read. It says there's 12 rods, and there they are. Now on this one it does say it's surf rods, and it has the number 2 of 12. Also has a price, but I didn't pay that. This one's probably my favorite one. It's a 1933 Jeep Willys panel van. Definitely really cool. Got the tiki on there, and I believe it says Kalui Surf Shop. Not so sure. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. Oh, and this one was dated 2003. So 3 years after the VW. So again, Kalui. I believe that's what it says. But again, just some plastic surfboards pushed into the top of the roof of the Diecast. Really cool. 2001 plain Mantis. Let's go ahead and look at this photo. Now this one has some tape on it, but I'll just fold it around. And here's this photo. Pretty cool, but not as clear as the first one. Even though this one's grainy, you can still see. But next up we have number 4 of 12. This is the 1941 Chevy Special Deluxe. Really like this one. And it has a photo of the surfers from the bottom. This one looks like it has an opening hood. I don't believe it does. Yeah, I don't think it does. But definitely has a good line there to show the hood. Definitely good detail. Yeah. I don't think it opens, but still cool. Again, plastic wheels, metal base. See what the date on this one is. 2002. Really nice flames. This one says Nick's Shop, I think. It's hard to see. Southern California. And here's the photo. Definitely pretty cool. And we got two more before we get into those. If you like this kind of stuff, if you like Diecast, Johnny Lightning, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, give a comment of which one is going to be your favorite, and definitely check us out in the future. Let's go ahead and get into the next one. We have the 1931 Ford Model A station wagon, number 5 of 12. Again, pay no attention to the prices. I did not pay these prices for these. I believe the last one I opened was $15, which is no bueno. But there's the photo. And this one is really cool. Probably my second favorite one. Just that orange pops and then that green flames. The orange and green board. The motor. Really nice. And the date on this one, I believe, is 2002. Definitely really nice. Go ahead and put the photo on that one. And the last one that I have to open is the 1940 Ford sedan delivery, the Zuma tubular locals. So this one is number 7 of 12. So definitely on the lookout for these among multiple other Johnny Lightnings that I need to finish completing sets. I really like Johnny Lightnings. I also like Hot Wheels, but something about these old Johnnies I really enjoy. So, not the coolest graphic with the dudes on there, but really nice looking ride. Let's see if any of them had the same surfboards. No, they're all different. That's pretty interesting. But there we have it. Let's see what the date is on this. This one is 2002, I believe. Yeah. So, definitely pretty cool. So, 40 Ford sedan delivery. 1931 Ford Model A station wagon. 1941 Chevy Special Deluxe. The 33 Jeep Willys panel van. And the VW van. Definitely nice. Would be better if it was like a 70s boogie van. I really like those custom boogie vans. And VW is okay, but not my all-time top favorites, but still pretty cool. So there we have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show. Hopefully you guys gave it a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys left a comment down below. And hopefully you guys subscribe so we can unbox some more Johnny Lightnings, models, and all sorts of other stuff coming up on the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.